Everybody listen about the coming of Gog. That is your title. The teaching number 5. Gog, he is entering in this world, that he is from the sea. That doesn't mean that he is coming out of the sea, but he is already there. It means that he was built in the laboratory of the Leviathan. Leviathan is in the sea. The laboratory of the Leviathan, that is in the sea, that place where all extraterrestrials are built, and they're going to attack this planet Earth, and Gog is included. Gog is the son of Lune. He's the son of Lune and Xenor. It's like that if we are talking about him. The son of Lune and Xenor. Xenor is the wife of Lune. Lune is the leader of the devil, the number 2 of the devil. Let me repeat it again well, and everybody look at me. This is Lune. Here is Lune. And this is Xenor. Xenor is his wife. And Lune, when Lune gives birth, he gives birth of Gog. And that conception, how they built it so that it will be perfect, and they sent it to the laboratory of Leviathan. Leviathan lives in the sea. That Leviathan, he has a laboratory in the sea, and they really build it like a human, so that no one will not know he is not a human. But if Xenor and Lune get married and they will give birth, is the beast will get out. So they must transform it into a real human. And that laboratory, that is the laboratory of Leviathan. The Leviathan is the devil under Lune. And that Lune, he has his leader as well, but his leader is already in hell, and that is the Lune number 1. The Lune number 1 is already in hell, but the Lune number 2 that substitute him, and the Lune number 2 will underestimate Yahushua. He really underestimates that YAHVAH and Yahushua. It's like this his story. When Lune gave birth, it's like that YAHVAH who gave birth Yahushua. They really copy and paste. Those mindless say that, the mindless. And the friends of Lune, they don't say that. But those who are not a friend of Lune, those who are fighting against Lune, they say those mindless, brainless. Is there anyone among you who have a relationship with Lune? Who among you are his friends? Is there anyone? There are. For example, those who underestimate the teaching. If you don't like the teaching, you are the odd one. Teaching that, through the teaching that you were convinced, it's by the teaching that you can come here. So if you're convinced by the teaching, you should take the teaching And it should be a pleasure for you to listen to the teaching. Mainly I have told you that through the teaching that you can receive the force of the protection from Elia. So if you like listening to the teaching, that is really a force for you. Don't say that I have listened to that. No. That's not true. The more you listen to it, more and more it becomes a force for you. And if you listen to it now, and after 1 week you will listen to it, it's really like a new teaching. And after 2 weeks you will listen to it again, it's like a new teaching. So there is always a new things that will come out of the teaching, because there is the force from Yahushua will enter you, within you. You already have the teaching from part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's not a beloved, I love you, no. But it's the part of the teaching. Is it clear? Is it really clear? So what do? Listen to the teaching number 1 till 71. And when it's done, take note. That's why I tell you, you still have time. Few time you have, take the teaching. Those who already have, listen to it again. Through that teaching, you can communicate with Elia and Yahushua in that teaching. Therefore, listen to the teaching and take notes. Don't say, I have listened to it. Always listen to it again and again and again. Don't think about film. Those who like film, put in your minds, you are in hell. I have told you, there is no solution anymore. Either you go or you stay. But if you are still looking for film, where is the TV that there are films? I don't forbid you that. I gave you the answer. You are in hell. That is it. I have told you, we don't need film anymore. We don't need any stories anymore. And why will you need that? Really, if that makes you happy, you will really go to hell. You already know you will be destroyed by those films and stories. Your film is the teaching, and your story is the teaching. That is enough for you. And those who are broadcasted in the TV and the radio of Yahushua, if there is nothing, the teaching is enough for you. Live in the teaching. That is your solution. And it's really the win for you if you do that. A winning for your soul. You will really unshakable if you listen to the teaching. So now you are getting to be separated by Elia. If you miss Elia, you will miss Yahushua. First of all, listen to the teaching. And if you say that I really miss Elia, listen to the teaching. But if you don't miss me, don't listen to it. If you don't like Yahushua, don't listen to it. But if you like Yahushua and you really miss Yahushua, listen to the teaching. Where you can fetch the force and the power, where you can fetch the protection from Elia that Yahushua gave him. Because it's my turn, my duty to protect you. That's why I'm strict with the responsibles who don't do their work well. And I've told you, don't do the work of Yahushua poorly. I've told you, don't listen to the teaching poorly. Listen to it again for you who have listened to it. Don't say, I have listened. Make the teaching your life. Just listen to the teaching. And those who haven't taken it yet, take it. You still have time. Make sure you will take the teaching so that you will not be lower than those people before you, your elder. Is it clear, my words? Really clear? Or it's not really clear? Okay. Let's come back to the topic. And when Gog came out of the sea, that is the words. He came out of the sea. And when he came out of the sea, he is among people. He is already on this planet Earth. The sea, according to the Holy Scripture, it means the people who have bad spirits. Those who have bad spirits, it's like the sea that are waving and roaring. So Gog is from the bad spirits, and he is a bad spirit, and he is already among people. He is already in the Red House, in Moscow, in Kremlin. He is already there at the moment. He is leading the meeting. No one knows, but I let him know. And it's not now that he is leading the meeting, that it's been a little bit long time. That's what I have told you. There is no meeting, there is no decision that they can take if it's not depend on the mother of Gog. The mother of Gog is Xenor. Everything it depends on her so that they can take decision. The president of Russia cannot take decision. Everything is waiting for the mother of Gog, Xenor, until Gog will get in stage that he must be pulled by his hook. Is it clear? Is it really clear, my explanation? And that Gog, he will fight against the Israelians if they like or if they don't. And I have informed you, Gog, he is Russian. And that Gog, I have told you, he is the leader of Muslims. I give you all words that he is hiding in the Catholic Orthodox. That is really a smart way so that he can hide behind that Orthodox. That those churches, they just hide behind it. But it's the beast, all of the beast hide behind the churches. That's why all of them commit sins non-stop, including Arabs must be with Russia. All of Arabs. There is no Arabs will not be with Russia. No. But the reason that Arabs fight against each other is because of American, and they fight each other because most of them lean on Americans. They don't want to fight against American. It's with the smart way about the money, because American, they are rich and they insist to be with them to earn much money. That is the real situation, because so that they can trade with precious stones. They trade precious stones with Americans. So I give it the accurate place. Elia gives you the accurate place today about that Babylon, the great Babylon. You are burned in 1 second. I give you the accurate today. Your ambassador have told you before like this that was not wrong. It's maybe this one, maybe that one. He was right there, as he has said, that is included, that they trade with those fruits. That great Babylon is Newark. It's the sea of Newark that is told. Read that, great Babylon, he is burned in 1 second. That's why the city of Newark is getting destroyed. It's getting split. Because all goods around this planet Earth is traded there. That's why it is the Newark that they can trade all goods. It's the Arabs who do that. And they cannot fight against him because he is the leader of this planet Earth and he does whatever he wants. So Newark, you are going to be destroyed. You Manhattan, you are going to be destroyed. You Times Square, you're going to be destroyed. Don't wish that place there. That is really a place that makes that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA angry. A place where all prostitution, all sins, a place where the wrongdoing is the maximum. It's not only there, but there are many, and those who have a relation with them. And Times Square and Manhattan in New York, that will be destroyed completely, really destroyed completely. Even that is the sky tower around this world that they are so proud of that. That will be destroyed in 1 second, according to the words of that YAHVAH. That is true. And those who are in the sea will be amazed by that. It's destroyed in 1 second. The amazing cities that they trade with all goods, it's destroyed in 1 second. That's why I have told you, the American gets hurt. They cannot do anything anymore. That is it. Okay, let's come back to the words. And what Gog will do, the president of Russia that will substitute Putin. Where he will go and what will he do? He will visit your house. And you will welcome him, and you will have meal together. The next of the teaching, where Gog will go. What Gog will do and where he will go. When Gog will be on his position, he will fight against the holy people of that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA, all of them. He will fight against them. You can read there. Revelation chapter 13, when you are at home. He will fight against the holy people of the Most High. So those holy people, those who are in YAHOSHUA, all of them, emphasize that well. Those who are holy people with that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA, he will fight against them. That's why the words must be preached around the world, because those who are holy, those who are with that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA, because that is the words, you have been justified, you have been cleaned with the name of YAHOSHUA and the Spirit of God, according to 1 Corinthians. 1 Corinthians chapter 6 verse 11. 1 Corinthians chapter 6 verse 11. So those who are washed, those who are sanctified, those who are with YAHOSHUA, and that's why the words must be preached around this world. That is the first. And the second, there are holy people as well in Israel, because the two olive trees are preaching about YAHOSHUA in Israel, and they will attack Israel as well. because of two olive trees are already preaching about Yahushua in Israel. Is it clear? You are really amazed. That's wonderful. Do I speak out? What am I doing and you are really looking at me? You stare at me. Ah, do you really love me? Until when? Okay, let's continue the words. When all people will be called and Gog will attack. That's why Israelians, they already know that. And they will make peace with Russian. Who knows that? According to Isaiah chapter 28 verse 14 and 15. They will enter into a covenant with death. American cannot protect Israelian anymore. That's what I have told you. If American is the most powerful, why they stay 1,000 miles away from Iran? Why don't they close to Israel? How will you protect Israel that you stay 1,000 miles away from Iran? And to protect Israel, everybody is mumbling. They're really mumbling, and this world is really upset about that. And Israelians, they are really so afraid of that, and they know we don't have any protector anymore, and we are getting in that situation at the moment. Is it clear? Therefore, because of those Israelians, they don't have any protector anymore, automatically they go to Russia to make a covenant with Russian. What is the reason? So that they will be protected. So the reason they will go there, they will ask for a relation, a friendship. Don't suffer us. But there is no solution anymore. It's a word that must be accomplished and it must be fulfilled. So far so good. Is it clear? And let me continue the words. So, later, he will come to suffer the small lambs of Yahushua because he is allowed to do that. Let's come back to Israel. What will happen to Israelians? Arabs will enter Israel. They are led by Russian. It's God who will lead them. Even Chinese will enter. That is the way of those Chinese will be built. That is it. Maybe in Revelation chapter 16. What is it? On the great river Euphrates, and its water was dried up to prepare the way for the kings from the east. That is the way of those Chinese. Revelation chapter 16 verse 12. The sixth angel poured out his bowl on the great river Euphrates, and its water was dried up to prepare the way for the kings from the east. So the kings from the east, they prepared the way as well to attack Israel. Those mean that they will really punish Israel. That is the end of the situation. And at that time, the place where they meet to attack Israel, it's in Russia, according to Ezekiel chapter 38, verse 4, 5, 6, 7. Russian will gather our nation from north. And they will attack who? They will attack Israel. That's why Africans, they follow the words of president become military, included Madagascar. As Elia said, the president of Africans, they will be led by military. So they must be strong-headed. So if you have seen it, the president in South Africa becomes a military, get ready, all dangers will strike all of you. It's coming. That is a sign, a hint that I give you. If the president in South Africa will become a military, get ready, all of you, the small lambs of Yahushua around this world. That till now it's still a civilian. That's it. So that is the way of Gog. Gog will gather this world in the new United Nations. I don't know how they will call that, but that will be located in Russia. That will be moved to Russia, the United Nations, where all nations will be gathered. And what is the consequences of that? What is the consequences of Gog's coming? Automatically, the American will be destroyed, and they will destroy that. America will be speechless in front of the Russian. It's Russia who gave order Chinese. Remember that. It's just Gog who gave order to this world. This world is speechless in front of Gog. Is it clear? Or isn't it? It's really clear, right? Okay. So you really know the direction of Gog. Gog, the president of Russia, and how he will suffer, what sufferings he will do, and how he will suffer, really the suffering that haven't been on this planet Earth. Really, he will suffer at the maximum. Is it clear? That's why stand firm from now on. Always follow the words of Elia. Is it clear or isn't it? I have told you it's really difficult, so hard. That's why this world is not in peace anymore. It cannot be in peace. That is one picture that makes this world messed up. This world is really messed up, and there is no one who can be in peace. There will never be. And there is no time that it will be in peace. No, it cannot be in peace until the end. Until the end. And the end. And the end. There is no peace anymore. That's why I have told you, stand firm. And those who know that the words are accomplished, stand firm. Who expect that Iranian will not be defeated? That's what I have explained to you. If Iranian this they should do to negotiate. But the winner, this is our plan. This is our negotiation. And we negotiate. The winner gives that, not the loser. Those who lose, how is it possible that they will give a document and paper? This is our condition to negotiate. Those who are the winner, they give the paper to negotiate. This what you follow. And those who lose, they said, no, don't do that. We will die if you do that like this. And the winner will say, okay, let's arrange it with this and let's do like this. There, who did give the paper? It's Iran. You see, the American, they can't defeat. They are powerful that they didn't expect Elia spoke. But if Elia didn't speak, Iranian was very punished. But when Elia is here, everything is changed. This world must follow the words of Elia if they like or they don't. So as you are a scholar, an expert, you already know when you study at school that American, they are unbeatable. They can't fight against him. The American, they are so powerful, the first power in this world. That's what I study at school. But when Elia is here, it's really upside down. And are you happy that Elia is here? Who are angry? Who is really happy? That's wonderful. Okay, sit down. Because of your happiness, always follow the words. Because you see the truth. You are the few people who see the truth around this world. It's not I just talk with you like that, but we can see together. We see together. We have listened to the news together. Not I saw, but you didn't see. But we can see together. It is broadcasted on the news. That's it. And you know that. That's why I tell you the news that is broadcasting, American is really embarrassed because it's really, they are defeated by Iranian. How do they say that? In the Congress, I don't, in the Senate, and what was it? It's like the mayor, there is a technical term there. I don't really know. Deputy, the National Assembly, it's not really like that. Okay, just like that. I don't really know it. So, what is next? Okay, it's enough. I think it's enough. Isn't it enough? I have given you what he will do. What is the end? So the end, he will reach Israel. And when he reaches Israel, this world will accept him. So this world will come to Israel and they will fight against YAHOSHUA. That's why Elia must get in stage. Because that is the work of Elia, to pull Gog from Russia. And the work of Elia that will justify all YAHOSHUA's words. You must get out, Gog, and you will be pulled by a hook because he doesn't accept to get out, and that is the work of Elia. So the question: will you still support Elia? Will you support? Is it only today or until when? Until when do you say? Until my last breath. That's wonderful. Okay, in case each of you has his own last breath when you are gone, and I don't care, always counting you. Whatever is happening, always counting you until we arrive into the arms of Yahushua, always counting you. Is it clear? Do you get it? Who said you don't get it? Do you get it? Is it right? Will you promise? In case you will not promise, it's really bad. You will not keep your words. In case you will betray Yahushua, always keep the words, and you will betray him. Is it clear? Okay, that is our teaching for today. It will always continue. It will not stop anymore. You will see the next. That is it. When Elia speaks on the TV, on the radio, at the time you know, always take the teaching. Always get ready with the teaching notebook. Okay, that's it. I wish you to be blessed by Yahushua. Glory be to Daddy YAHVAH. Glory be to Yahushua. And you, the children of the Most High. Yahushua bless you. Stand firm. And be careful you don't follow the words. You don't obey the words. It's the instructions that you follow. Now, there is no long questions. Just follow the instructions. Is it clear?